Good evening, traders. This is Taylor from the tradinganalyst.com. We're going to take a look at the S&P 500 and weekly time frame chart, and I'm going to go over my analysis and thought process, and hopefully it'll help guide you through the market. If you like these videos and you like the analysis, it's nothing compared to the membership. Go ahead and give a membership out for a spin. It's free for 7 days. You can check us out, see if it's a good fit. Visit us on the homepage, www.thetradinganalyst.com, and you can get to know us a little bit better. We've got a live chat room, daily watch lists, member videos, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market, and our current members can really attest to that. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you. All right, so let's get into these charts here. So we're going to take a look at the S&P 500. First, I'm going to go over the daily time frame here and go over some levels, and then we'll switch it to the weekly time frame. So here's the daily time frame right here. We've got an uptrend line that began in February of 2016. This year, we've got two touches right here, and then as you can see, we're grinding up against it right here. So we've got several touches up against it in the last several weeks right here. So definitely a key level here on the S&P 500. Definitely want to see this hold. The bulls want to see this hold. Bears, you want to see this broken. But I'm not going to be in a rush to get overly short on a break of this trend line. And I'll show you why. And I'm going to switch to the weekly time frame so we can get a lot cleaner view. So here's the weekly time frame, and you can see that in 2015 we had about half the year we tried to break over this level. It's about 2120 or so right here. Couldn't break over it, but lots and lots of tests of that level. Okay, again over here, lots of tests of that level. Just below that level, about 2100. Okay, again in 2016, lots of tests of this 2100, and we finally broke over both of these levels right here. This was early July that we broke over that level right here, and so far we've successfully tested this level once, really, which was a couple weeks ago right here, as you can see right there. So you can see that this is big support. Okay, so right around this 2100 is big time support. So while we may break that trend line on the daily chart, we're still going to be above this support. So until we kind of break this support and break this 200-day moving average, I'm going to consider any dip to this area up here, anywhere above 206 is going to be a buying opportunity, in my opinion. So we'll see what happens, but overall this is very bullish action in the market so far for what we've seen. A lot of individual names are acting well, so we'll see. So first step for the bears would be a close below that trend line. Next step for the bulls would be a bounce, another bounce off of this trend line, and then a break over these highs right here. So just look for either of those and pay attention to these levels, and you should do just fine. Again, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the homepage of the website and get to know us a little better. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you. We'll see you over there.